Okay, in this video, I am going to be showing you how to access ClassLink. And ClassLink is where you're going to take a couple different tests for the beginning of your testing. This is where you're going to take your unit assessments. And this is also where you're going to go into Renaissance and take your math STAR test that you're going to take every grading period. So I'm going to show you. So if you don't know how to get on ClassLink, and you can go to Students on the Elgin ISD website, then go down and go to ClassLink, and it's going to take you, and then you're going to see something very similar to this. All right, so for the Renaissance test that you're going to have to take this week, you are going to scroll down to Renaissance. This little, it has an R, and it may be at the top of your list and maybe at the bottom of your list, but this is what it looks like. You're going to click it. It's going to take you there. You're going to click STAR Math. It's loading, and it's loading some more, and then you're going to click Start, and then you're going to take the test. Please take this in one sitting. Do not stop and pause it. Just a reminder, if you're taking too long on the question, it's going to move you on. I want you to do the absolute best that you can on this test, because this is going to show me where our strengths are for math and where maybe some of our weaknesses are and some of the things that we have to learn and practice a little bit more. But I'm going to cancel because I'm not going to take it. And then this is back just to my ClassLink. So again, you're going to click on Renaissance, let it load, click STAR Math, and then click Start. So that has to be done this week, and do your best. You may use a piece of scratch paper if you need to write. I don't need to see that scratch paper. And then we will be talking about these, your math grade level and how you did on this test in the coming days. All right.